You're looking at a Ford Model 9000 yard truck. Powered by a diesel engine, starts, runs, but needs lots of maintenance. Alcoa tag number 162. Buyers are responsible for loading and shipping of all assets with Alcoa approved rigor. All buyers must sign and return Alcoa Terms and Conditions before the removal of any asset. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.